Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi there. I'm Jake, and this is Sarah.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
We have a really useful topic for you today.
Yes, today we talk about transportation in English.
Transportation means how you go from one place to another.
By bus, by car, by train, by bicycle, and more.
We all use transportation every single day.
So you need to know how to talk about it in English.
We will use simple words and short sentences as always.
And you can practice with us. Just repeat after us.
Are you ready to learn? Let us get started.
First, let's learn the different types of transportation.
The most common one is a bus. Everyone knows the bus.
You can say, I take the bus to work every day.
Another common one is a car. Many people drive a car.
You can say, I drive my car to the office.
Or, my friend drives me to school every morning.
Next, we have the train. Trains are fast and comfortable.
You can say, I take the train to the city center.
There is also the subway. Some people call it the metro.
Subway and metro mean the same thing, an underground train.
You can say, I take the subway to work. It is fast.
And of course, there's the taxi, or a ride-share car.
You can say, I took a taxi to the airport yesterday.
Let us not forget the bicycle. Riding a bicycle is great.
You can say, I ride my bicycle to the park every weekend.
And walking. Walking is the simplest transportation of all.
You can say, I walk to the shop. It's only 5 minutes.
Let's practice. Please repeat after me now.
I take the bus to work every day.
I take the train to the city center.
I ride my bicycle to the park every weekend.
Great job! You are doing so well already.
Now let's learn a very important question.
The question is, how do you get to work?
Or, how do you get to school?
Get to means arrive at a place. How do you arrive there?
This is a question people ask each other all the time.
Your friend might ask, how do you get to work?
And you answer, I take the bus. Or, I drive my car.
Or, I walk. It is not far from my house.
You can also ask, how long does it take?
How long does it take means how many minutes or hours.
For example, it takes 30 minutes by bus.
Or, it takes about 1 hour by train.
Or, it takes only 10 minutes if I walk fast.
Let's practice these questions and answers. Repeat after me.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It takes 30 minutes.
How long does it take to get to school?
It takes about 1 hour by train.
Wonderful! Those are very natural sentences.
Now, let's talk about buying a ticket for transportation.
When you take a bus or a train, you usually need a ticket.
You can say, I need to buy a ticket, please.
Or, can I get a ticket to the city center?
The person might ask you, one way or round trip?
One way means you go in one direction only.
Round trip means you go there and come back.
So you say, a round trip ticket, please.
Or, just one way, please. I'm not coming back today.
The person might also ask, how many tickets do you need?
You say, 2 tickets, please. Or, just 1 ticket, please.
Let's practice buying a ticket. Repeat after me now.
Can I get a ticket to the city center, please?
A round trip ticket, please.
2 tickets, please.
Excellent! Now you can buy tickets with confidence.
Sometimes you need to ask for help at a station.
Right. Maybe you don't know which bus or train to take.
You can ask, excuse me, which bus goes to the airport?
Or, which train do I take to get to the museum?
Or, where is the bus stop for bus number 7?
A bus stop is the place where the bus picks you up.
You can also ask, what time does the next bus arrive?
Or, how often did the trains come? Every 10 minutes?
How often means how many times in 1 hour or 1 day.
You might also ask, is this the right platform for the train?
A platform is where you stand and wait for the train.
Let us practice these questions. Repeat after me, please.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the airport?
What time does the next bus arrive?
Is this the right platform for the train?
Perfect. You sound like a confident traveler now.
Now you are on the bus or the train. What do you say?
Sometimes you need to ask questions during the ride.
You can ask, excuse me, does this bus stop at the mall?
Or, is the next stop the city center?
Or, can you tell me when we arrive at my stop?
That is a great question to ask the driver or other passengers.
You can also say, excuse me, is this seat taken?
Is the seat taken means, is someone sitting here already?
If you need to get off, you can say, excuse me, this is my stop.
Or, I need to get off at the next stop, please.
Get off means to leave the bus or the train.
And get on means to enter the bus or the train.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
Excuse me, does this bus stop at the mall?
Is this seat taken?
Excuse me, this is my stop. I need to get off.
Great work. You know exactly what to say now.
Now, let us talk about taking a taxi or a rideshare car.
Taking a taxi is a little different from the bus or train.
First, you need to tell the driver where you want to go.
You say, can you take me to the airport, please?
Or, I need to go to this address, please.
You can show the driver the address on your phone.
That is very helpful if you cannot pronounce the street name.
During the ride, you can ask, how long will it take?
Or, is there a lot of traffic right now?
Traffic means many cars on the road. It makes you slow.
When you arrive, you can say, you can stop here, please.
Or, this is good. I will get out here. Thank you.
You might also ask, how much do I owe you?
How much do I owe you means, how much money should I pay?
Let us practice taxi phrases. Repeat after me, please.
Can you take me to the airport, please?
How long will it take to get there?
How much do I owe you?
Awesome! Now you can take a taxi anywhere in the world.
Let us now learn to talk about your daily commute.
A commute is the trip you make to work or school every day.
Your friend might ask, how is your commute?
You can say, my commute is short, only 15 minutes.
Or, my commute is long. It takes about 1 hour.
Or, my commute is easy. I just walk to the office.
You can also describe your commute in more detail.
Like, first, I walk to the bus stop near my house.
Then I take the bus for 20 minutes to the station.
Then I take the train for 30 minutes to the city.
Then I walk 5 minutes to my office from the station.
See? You can describe each step of your commute.
Words like first, then, and after that help you tell the story.
Let us practice. Repeat after me, please.
My commute takes about 45 minutes every day.
First, I take the bus. Then I take the train.
My commute is easy. I just walk to work.
Excellent! You can describe your commute perfectly now.
Let us now hear a full sample conversation. Listen carefully.
I will ask the questions and Jake will answer.
Okay, let us imagine we are two friends talking at lunch.
Hey, Jake, how do you get to work every day?
I take the bus and then the train. It takes about 1 hour.
Oh, that's quite long. Is it a comfortable ride at least?
The train is nice, but the bus is sometimes very crowded.
Crowded? That's not fun. What time do you leave your house?
I leave at 7 in the morning, very early for me.
I understand. Do you ever take a taxi instead?
Sometimes, yes, when I'm late or if the weather is bad.
How much does a taxi from your house to work cost?
It costs about $15, so I don't take it often.
That makes sense. I usually ride my bicycle to work.
Really? That's great. How long does it take you?
It takes about 20 minutes, and it is good exercise too.
I should try that. Maybe I will buy a bicycle soon.
You should. It saves money and it is healthy.
Good idea, Sarah. Thanks for the tip.
Did you hear that conversation? It was natural and simple.
Now try to practice it yourself. Pause and repeat.
Sometimes things do not go well with transportation.
That is true. Let us learn how to talk about problems.
You can say, the bus was late today. I waited 30 minutes.
Or, I missed my train this morning. I was so upset.
Missed means you did not catch it. It left without you.
Or, there was a lot of traffic today. I was stuck for an hour.
Stuck means you could not move. The car was not moving.
Or, the subway was very crowded. I couldn't find a seat.
Crowded means too many people in one small space.
You can also say, my car broke down on the way to work today.
Broke down means the car stopped working. It had a problem.
Let us practice these problem phrases. Repeat after me, please.
The bus was late today. I waited 30 minutes.
I missed my train this morning.
There was a lot of traffic. I was stuck for an hour.
My car broke down on the way to work today.
Now you can talk about transportation problems too.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review now together.
Bus, a big vehicle that carries many people on a route.
Train, a long vehicle that moves on tracks very fast.
Subway or metro, a train that goes underground in the city.
Taxi, a car you pay to take you where you need to go.
Bicycle, a two-wheeled vehicle you ride with your legs.
Commute, your daily trip from home to work or school.
Ticket, a piece of paper or card you buy to ride.
One way, going in one direction only, not coming back.
Round trip, going somewhere and coming back again.
Platform, the place of the station where you wait for the train.
Bus stop, the place on the street where the bus picks you up.
Traffic, many cars on the road that make you go slowly.
Crowded, too many people in one place, no space to move.
Broke down, when a vehicle stops working because of a problem.
These are all very important transportation words to remember.
Now, here is your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Imagine your friend asks you, how do you get to work?
Tell them about your commute. Use the phrases we learned.
Say, I take the bus and then I walk for 10 minutes.
Then say, it takes about 40 minutes in total.
Then add, sometimes the bus is late and I have to wait.
Then finish with, but usually my commute is not too bad.
Can you say all of that? Try it now out loud.
Pause the video if you need more time to practice.
Remember, every time you practice, your English gets better.
Before we finish, let us compare different types of transportation.
Great idea. Comparing means to say what is better or worse.
You can say, the train is faster than the bus.
Or, walking is cheaper than taking a taxi.
Or, the bicycle is healthier than driving a car.
You can also say, I prefer the train because it is comfortable.
Prefer means you like one thing more than another thing.
Or, I prefer walking because it is free and relaxing.
Or, I prefer the bus because it stops near my house.
Let us practice comparing. Repeat after me, please.
The train is faster than the bus.
Walking is cheaper than taking a taxi.
I prefer the train because it is comfortable.
I prefer walking because it is free and relaxing.
Now you can compare transportation like a pro.
Okay, everyone, it's time for our final review today.
Today we learned how to talk about transportation in English.
We learned the names of different types of transportation.
We learned how to ask and answer, how do you get to work?
We learned how to buy a ticket for the bus or the train.
We learned how to ask for help at a bus or train station.
We learned useful phrases for riding a bus, train, and taxi.
We learned how to describe our daily commute to a friend.
And we learned how to talk about transportation problems.
You did an incredible job today. We are so proud of you.
Keep practicing every day. Even 5 minutes helps a lot.
Talk about transportation with a friend or practice by yourself.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment and tell us about your daily commute.
We love reading your comments. They make our day special.
Thank you so much for learning with us today, everyone.
You are doing amazing. Keep going and never stop learning.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care and have a great day.
Bye. Keep talking in English. See you next time.